to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to integrate ChatGPT API with Discord bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to integrate the ChatGPT API with your Discord bot, you need to create a Discord bot application and get an OpenAI API key and write code that connects them by using a library like discord.py or discord.js. To listen for messages in Discord, send them to the OpenAI API and then post the response back to Discord. So you need to first of all create a Discord bot. So you need to simply go and tap open your Discord developer portal and create a Discord bot application. So once you develop your own bot, you need to get your OpenAI API key through the platform of OpenAI API and create it. Now you need to set up your project, like install the necessary libraries for your chosen languages, and you need to write the bot's code as well, like initialize the bot, handle messages, call the OpenAI API, and then run the bot. So by this way, you can simply integrate your ChatGPT API with Discord bot. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.